In this video, we are going to learn how to say different colors in sign language. Once we get a little more comfortable and we learn how to say these different colors in sign language, I have a song for you guys that's going to be super fun. So I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know for that song in this video. You ready? Okay, first let's do this with our hands. Let's exercise. And take a deep breath. And there's different ways to say things. You can speak English, which is the language that we speak. You can speak Spanish or Italian. There's so many different languages around the world that people speak. You can also speak in ASL or sign language. And when you communicate with your hands, using your hands, you don't need to use words because the hand movement means what the word is. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's get started. The first color we are going to learn is this one. Yes, it's red. So take your first finger right under your bottom lip on your chin and then just pull it down. Red. Red. Yep, just like that. Red. The next color we're going to learn is this one. Do you know what color that is? It's green. So for green, we're going to put our thumb and our first finger like that. And then you're going to move it back and forth. Green. Yeah, you're doing great. Green. Next, I'm going to teach you how to say the word colors in sign language. You're just going to tap the bottom of your chin, and this is how you say colors. It's pretty amazing that you can talk without actually having to use your voice, that you can use your hands instead, right? I think that's so fascinating. So then we have blue. And for blue, you're going to put your hand up like this. Put your thumb over. And then you're going to move it back and forth like you're waving. Blue. There you go. Blue. Some of these take a lot of practice, but we will be practicing them all year. The next color is, yes, it's yellow. Yellow's one that takes a little bit more practice, so be patient with yourself. We're going to take these 3 fingers, put them down so that your thumb and your pinky are sticking up. And you can have a family member help you keep your fingers down. I think that's the hardest part of this one. Yeah, take as much time as you need. If you even have to hold it with the other hand for now, you can do that too. And then we're just going to move it back and forth. Yellow. Good. The next one we're going to do again is colors. I wanted to go in the order of the song so we memorize it. You ready? Show me colors. Yep. Okay. What color is this? It's pink. So put your fingers up like this. Not the first one, but the second one. You're going to put on your chin just like you did for red and pull it down. Red. I mean pink, sorry. This is red. This is pink. And the hardest thing about pink is remembering that it's the second finger, not the first one. Pink. Do you know what this color is? Yeah, it's purple. So for purple, we're going to put 2 fingers up and then put your thumb a little bit, just a little bit in between your 2 fingers, like that. Then you turn it around, point it down a little bit, and shake it out. Purple. Purple. Okay. Can you tell me what this color is? It's orange. So for orange, I'm going to tell you how I remember to do orange. You're going to take your hand like this, so almost like a fist, but you don't want to close it all the way. And then you put it right underneath your chin. And what I imagine is that your hand is an ice cream cone and your head is the ice cream. Okay, so what you're going to do is just going to squeeze twice under your chin. Orange. Yeah, good job. The last color we are going to learn is this one. See it? What color is this? It's brown. So for brown, put 4 fingers up, kind of like you did for blue. Put it at the same side of your face. So if you're using this arm, you want to put it on this side of your face, up by your forehead. Yeah. And then bring it down. Brown. Brown. I think the hardest part of learning brown is learning which side of your face you're supposed to be on. So just remember, whatever arm you're using, whatever hand you're using, just stay on that side of your face. Brown. Very good. I'm excited to be teaching you sign language. We're also going to be learning how to say letters in sign language over the year. And I'm going to teach you guys how to say your name. And we're going to learn a couple of sentences so that we could communicate by making a new friend or asking them to play with you. We're going to be able to actually communicate with a whole sentence in sign language. You're doing great. Have fun with it. Bye.